Hello, and welcome to the kickoff video for the package stage for milestone 13.1, which is scheduled for release on June 22nd of 2020. We have some really exciting features that will be coming out in this milestone, and I'm going to just highlight a few of them for you right now. The first one is the addition of a new MVC of the GitLab Composer repository. This will allow PHP developers to discover, share, and install their PHP dependencies right along their source code and their pipelines. So for the MVC, you'll be able to publish packages to your GitLab project. You'll be able to install them using the group level endpoint. You'll be able to do all this authenticating with your GitLab personal access token. And you'll be able to use the package registry user interface to view packages, download them, and view any related metadata. Okay. The next item is using the package registry user interface to view your NuGet packages, dependencies, tags, and project URLs. So we launched the NuGet repository a couple of milestones ago, and one feature that's been missing is we have not been passing along the dependency data, tags, and project URLs. We recently we recently added this to the backend, so it's actually passing it now. We need to update the user interface to make sure that this shows up. So this is the new metadata that we'll be passing along with all your NuGet packages. So this will make it more easy to verify that it was built properly and that you're using the right one. The next one's a small issue, but I've heard from a lot of people in the community about it. There's an issue with the current version of the image expiration policies in that you can enter a regular expression to match a tag name that doesn't meet GitLab standards. And this is failing in the background and not alerting people that this is happening. So the result is that you may have defined an expiration policy, which is actually not being enacted, and you may not be aware that it's not running. So this will actually add some validation for the regular expression for the expiration policy, and we'll be able to alert you when something is not going to work. Okay, a couple more. The next one is another popular issue. This one will allow you to use the GitLab job token to authenticate to and update packages in your NuGet repository. So this has been highly requested because what's happening now is you could use your GitLab personal access token, but it's not really sufficient in terms of privacy. You want to be able to just use the job token and not have to worry about putting in your personal credentials. So this will add support for that, and I think this will really help make the NuGet repository and CI/CD work really well together. And one last one, this is one of the first of three issues of many issues that we'll be working on to improve the container registry user interface. This one will add certain metadata to the header section. So let's see, we could scroll down here and look at the design. And we could see here that in the header now will tell us how many image repositories exist and when will the expiration policy run. And you can also see that you can quickly click this button here. It says CLI commands, and this will have copyable snippets that allow you to set up, configure your registry, and also some basic build and push commands. Okay, so that's it for milestone 13.1. We do have a lot of other things going on. Feel free to check out our milestone board or hop in any of the issues. You could always reach out to me at trizzi@gitlab.com if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you.